Does Google Meet allow you to record the class?
Yeah, sure, sir.
I think
Or
somebody said.
otherwise you can change, sir. Otherwise you
गूगल
can change.
इसमें गूगल मीट में क्लास रिकॉर्ड होता है.
फुल होता है
Sir,
नहीं उसके
otherwise you
अंदर
can
नहीं
change
देगा
the
इनबिल्ट नहीं है बाहर
timings
से
of
होगा
Zoom classes
ठीक है जूम पे हो रहा
from
है
45 minutes to 1 hour.
क्या मतलब
भाई एक बोलो. और प्लीज जो नहीं बोल रहा है क्लास में, अबे यार ये कौन है, मैं अभी डिसेबल करता हूँ. अब कर.
Sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am asking. I am telling you that like you can change the Zoom classes timing from 45 minutes to 1 hour, sir. When you create the Zoom class link, sir. Otherwise, you can go with the Google Meet, sir.
No,
With the
with the free version of Zoom, you can only do it for the 40 minutes, I guess. You know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Or I won't be provided with the paid version. They won't pay me for the paid version. Okay. ये issue है. और Google Meet के Google, why I'm not using Google Meet is because the class will go up to 1 hour or okay, and it will be for 30 or 35 days. So Google Meet takes lot of amount of data to record the class. Let's say for 1 hour it takes around 500 to 600 MB. So what happens if I upload?
Yep.
Okay, if I upload all the data in my Google Drive, it takes lot of data to hold that. Or my 15 GB will get over because I have other classes also. So because of less data usage, I prefer Zoom.
Okay, sir. No problem. You can continue with the
Okay,
Zoom
sir.
classes, sir.
Continue.
मैंने सोचा था बट फिर वही दिक्कत है क्योंकि ये 40 मिनट्स में ये खत्म हो जाता है. सो आई आल्सो डोंट लाइक इट बट लिमिटेशंस है ना, क्या करें. ओके चलो चलो वी विल
जो आते हैं
बाय प्रीमियम सर.
जो आते हैं उससे आते हैं बस आते हैं.
अरे भाई रुक जाओ यार, बस करो, म्यूट कर लो अपने आप को. हाँ. So let me create the first program today. So you can create like go on this new file. ठीक है, फाइल का नाम टाइप करो whatever the name is and give the extension as .py. ठीक है, same like that .py. So in C++ we have the extension .cpp. In C we have .c. ठीक है, so different languages have different extension, right? So for the Python we have .py. So create that, and to print anything, okay, when you are if you want to print something, the output we say you have to write print whatever you want to print, you can write it. I think just now I told why I'm not using Google Meet, so it will be better if you don't repeat that again. Yeah, I'll look for the other alternative as well. If I find, I'll let you know. But I told my problem, why I'm not using the Google Meet. Yeah. So this is how you can print anything. And let's say if you want to take any input from the user, what you can write, you can write input, okay, input keyword, open bracket, and you type what you want to print. Let's say enter your name, print. So if I run this program, what happened? So if you see hello world is printed, I want to print hello world, it got printed. Enter your name. It's asking me to enter my name. I'll write it. Okay. Whatever I wrote, it got printed. So what I'm doing, if you want to print something, okay, if you want to print something, you can write help print, and whatever the thing which you want to print it, you can print. And suppose you want to take use anything from the user, you can write input and some string. If you want to show, you can write that inside it. It will show like this. Enter your name, and there you can, and it will wait you, and the terminal will wait for you to enter your name, okay, or enter something which you want. It will enter after, and once you click your name or write something, press enter, it will go to the line number 5. And what we are doing here, we are using whatever we have given over here, it should be printed over here. Okay, so this is a concept of taking, printing something and taking input. Okay, so or else you can say this is how we did input, or let's say output and input operation. Python. You given the output, and here you took the input. So this is how you can give input and take output. Is that clear, guys? Hello.
Yes, it's clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
chalo.
sir, clear.
Okay. Chalo. Nice.
Very much clear.
चलो बहुत बढ़िया. So okay, so we'll connect tomorrow. Okay, and please download the Anaconda and VS Code, and let me know if you have some downloading issue or some issues. We will see tomorrow. Cool. Sir, Conda activate. What does it mean? I'll tell you tomorrow. So see you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.